Ultrasonic cleansing technology 10,000 T per meter vibration frequency help cleansing your facial skin effectively while gentle for your skin, which massage skin to shrink pores while cleaning impurities, so to effectively remove blackheads and solve large pores issue, making your skin smoother and more delicate. 3 working modes. VOYOR facial cleansing brush offers 3 different vibration speed levels from weak, normal to strong. You can freely choose according your skin type and cleansing needs. 3 functional replacement heads. This face brush can satisfy different skin types, even for sensitive skin. With 1 PC's 0.08 mm normal face cleansing brush for effective skin cleansing and 2 PC's 0.06 mm facial cleansing brush head for sensitive skin cleansing, which offer you more flexible choice for different skin conditions cleansing. Long-lasting 3 hours fully charging, 2 minutes use per day, this face brush can be used for 30 days. With its compact and light design, this facial cleansing brush is great for people who travel a lot or in a business trip. IPX6 full body waterproof, ideal for those who love to use the brush in bath or shower. This face cleansing brush turns itself off after 2 minutes, which ensures you won't overdo the cleansing. Top reviews from the United States. Works well. I liked that it thoroughly took off all my makeup. After using a makeup wipe as well as my micellar water cleanser, using this showed me how much makeup residue I still had. My face has cleared up.